So here we are at the OWASP website, and it's at owasp.org, and you can always visit it to get the latest information about what the project is up to. And you can see here it says it's the Open Web Application Security Project. That's what OWASP stands for. And it's a nonprofit organization, and this organization is made up of cybersecurity and other information technology professionals who are volunteering to keep the web secure. And this website is really a wealth of information if you want to find out things like what some of the terminology is that we use in the security industry. If you want to find out certain how-tos, there's a lot of stuff here that really goes through some very crucial, very important methodology, and also shows you how to build stuff and how to secure stuff. And this is a very important source as far as information goes, but one of the things that I think everybody can point to as the most important resource that OWASP provides is the OWASP Top 10. And so we are going to be looking at the OWASP Top 10, and what that means is that it's the top 10 web application risks. And that's something that they find out through their research and doing surveys and looking at breaches that have happened. And that's kind of a interesting activity in itself, that somebody actually goes through and compiles a list like that. But you see that there's a lot of different attacks that can happen. There's a lot of different things that can be done to someone on the web. And we are going to look through just the top 10 of these, but anytime that you want to learn more, you can come to this category attack here, and you can see what the OWASP Foundation has to offer. And so here we're going to look at just the category of the top 10 project. And you see that the latest is the 2017 list, and the previous lists are from 2013, 2010. And if you're interested to see how this list evolves, definitely click on the past versions. There's going to be some interesting changes from the years previous, but the one that concerns us the most is 2017 at the moment. And we are going to be following this as a guidebook in our study further in this section. And you can read through all this in your own time if you want to, and hear some things about how the list has changed. There's definitely a few focus areas which we will be talking about and saying it's interesting that these are new here. Some of them are less technological than others in the sense of they don't exploit a very specific technique or tool, but they're very important. And as I said, because the web has changed so much and continues to grow and change, and that's why we need to really, really pay attention. So here we go. Here's the list. Injection, broken authentication, sensitive data exposure, XML external entities, broken access control, security misconfiguration, cross-site scripting, insecure deserialization, using components with known vulnerabilities, and insufficient logging and monitoring. And we're going to go through each of these, see how they could look in modern web applications, and then discuss how they can be addressed. It's not always one line of code that will address them, but there's almost always something that can be done.